Yo, what up, guys? So today we're gonna be working on the Z, and I'm gonna be replacing the radiator support or core support. There's not too many videos on YouTube how to remove this stuff, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and we can both learn. So let's get to it. All right. So your first step is obviously remove the front bumper, which I already did, and once you do that, you can go ahead and remove these 8 bolts. There's 2, then there's 2 here, so it's 4 here and 4 that side. Remove the crash beam, and then the next thing that you want to do is remove the headlights. There's some screws right here. This little clip right there. So yeah, so it's like 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. So it's like 5 screws on each headlight. And so I'm gonna remove the headlights, the crash beam, and the window reservoir, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. All right, so far we removed the crash beam, the headlights. This is the brand new OEM. I ordered this from Nissan, and it came out to like $350, I think. So what I'm doing, right now is that every bolt that I remove, I just go ahead and put them on the new one. That way, it makes the job easier, and you won't lose bolts or whatever. But all right, so right now I'm draining the liquid with the coolant. As you can see, I think it's already done. So since that is done, and I already, just a low pressure side for your AC, you need to discharge your AC lines. So I had a line right here. I used this, so I plugged that in the low pressure side of the AC line, and then with this I just open it up and let it discharge. But if you're at a shop, you just get the little machine, the vacuum pump, vacuum the Freon out. That's the way that you're supposed to do it, but since I really can't drive the car right now, I have no other options but to do that. But whenever I do get a recharge, I'm gonna have them vacuum it, just in case there's any air in the lines or whatever, old Freon, and put new Freon in there. But anyways, back to removing this radiator support. So like I said, we already drained the coolant, took out the AC. So now we need to drill this out right here. I removed these bolts, as you can see there on that one. But this, you're gonna have to get a drill bit and just drill it out. That way it can come out all in one piece. So once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this AC line for the condenser. Remove the condenser, and behind is a radiator. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, as you can see, I removed the old radiator support, which is over here. So the main reason why I went through the trouble of removing all this bullshit was because this right here. So from the impact, what was that? Yeah, anyways, from the impact, this got cracked, and this also got cracked, which is the other piece down there. And this I broke because, I mean, it was already cracked, but I just yanked it out because it was already cracked anyway. So, but as you can see, the car has like absolutely no frame damage at all. There's no crumbs or nothing. This is the side where it got impact too. Not even the subframe. Nothing's bent. Same on this side. And look at the motor though. The motor's perfect. Damn. Imagine taking out this alternator. Well, replacing it. Oh, and the AC compressor right here. And you gotta take everything out to just replace one of those two parts. Here's a fan. Alright, well, I'm gonna start putting this one back together. And like I told you guys previously, use all the bolts. That way it'll be much faster installation. Alright, so as you guys saw, to put this new radiator support through this little hole to fit these AC lines, you are going to struggle. Unless I find another way. You see this screw right here? This bolt? That's this line right here. So you follow it, it makes a loop, and then it comes down here. So if you remove that with a 10mm, pop that line out from the AC compressor, then it might be easier. I don't know, might be the same shit, but you saw what we did. So what I ended up doing was removing the air box and loosening up this bolt from the AC line. That way you can have play, and these move up and down with no problem. Just remove these safety clips. But that right there was the bitch, my guys. So if you're doing this right here, good luck, my guy. Alright, as you can see, I went ahead and put everything together. I put the headlights, the reinforcement bar, the new Radiator support. And as you can see, everything lines up. All the bolts. I went ahead and put the window washer reservoir. I installed that as well. So everything is in its place. Headlights looking good. And I already topped off all the fluids. Put some coolant in there. So now we are done with the front end. Alright, so I already went ahead and took off the bumper. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. And I'm still deciding if should I put like tape on here around the edges. I mean, this plastic tape is gonna peel off. I don't know, I guess we'll see. But yeah, let's get to it. There you go, guys. I put the bumper on, and honestly, it does not look too bad at all. I mean, it's better than having the car two colors, you know what I'm saying? Like, the car is white and the bumper was gray, so it looked kind of weird. But honestly, man, this plastic tip is, like I said, it's not a bad, doesn't look too bad at all. All I know is that it's way better than before, and that should do it for now until I can get a paint guy to paint the front bumper. But yeah, guys, that should be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.